What's up, y'all? I'm excited about doing my hair in these passion twists. So this is supposed to be a super easy tutorial on how to, for beginners, on how to do passion twists. I, for one, am a beginner. I've never done passion twists before, and we're gonna see how this all works out. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. My hair is already washed and deep conditioned, and it's kind of damp. I do not blow dry my hair. I don't put any heat in my hair. If you all have been watching my videos, I've stressed that and talked about that a million times. Like, literally, I limit myself to maybe once or twice a year putting in heat. We're going to part my hair into sections, and I will show you all how I do that, and then we're going to go into actually installing the passion twist. So I want to make sure that my hair is super moisturized because my hair dries so easy. Oh my god, my hair irritates my spirit how dry it is. So I'm going to actually be applying oil to my rubber bands. One of my, literally just took a top from my Miss Jessie's that I don't even use anymore really, and I'm just going to put some avocado oil in here in the top, and then I'm just going to soak my rubber bands inside as such, just like that. So I'm parting my hair into sections, and as you all can see, the back of my hair, I always talk about how it is a different texture. So this is my 2C hair in the back that's super thin and very fine, and it really doesn't curl up like the rest of my hair at all. It's a trip. It really has a mind of its own. I got my passion twist hair from Amazon, and I will provide a link in the description. It is 18 inches and actually was 7 packs of hair. Along with this, it was $33.25, and I actually got a crochet needle as well as some hair clips that I didn't really use and some hair jewelry. So now I've done majority of my hair, and I'm like, okay, I gotta actually record and show you all how this works. And it is supposed to be a very simple process, but I did not speed this up at all because I wanted to show you all how long it takes me to just do one twist. So to start off the next twist, you slide the crochet needle underneath your hair, then you actually attach the passion twist hair to the crochet needle, and then you slide the passion twist hair back through the same way you slid the crochet needle underneath. Now you have like a loop, and then you're going to take one end of the two pieces, which this was such a struggle point for me, and people in other videos make it look like it's so simple and so easy, but I was so over this and over my hair and just over everything at this point. But you just see how I'm struggling. And like I said, I did not speed it up because I want y'all to see how it really is trying to do this style. It isn't as easy as everyone makes it look. If you are trying this for the first time, you are probably going to have some difficulties, especially if you're not somebody that does your hair on your own all the time. And once I finally got it together, then you pull the passion twist hair tightly, and then I have to actually pull my hair tightly as well because the rubber bands actually start to slip. So then I apply my Flaxseed gel edge control by NaturAll to my hair, and that's just to lay it and kind of blend my hair with the passion twist hair, and then I go ahead and start to twist my hair. And I am just going to twist all this long hair, and I can't even believe that I want my hair to be like to my butt because I was so irritated with all these twists because it takes such a long time. Now I did speed it up during this part because it's just really me just twisting my hair down, but it basically was taking about 7 minutes per twist to get this done. And of course I did not do it all in one day because I was super tired, and that's why I did most of my hair the night before on Saturday night, and then Sunday I did the top part half of my hair. So now you'll see me applying Elastic QP, olive oil, and mango butter setting and styling foam, because the night before when I started doing my hair, I did not apply any styling foam, and my hair was literally doing just this, unraveling. So that is also something that people do not share. That basically, if you have hair texture like mine, have that 2C hair, your hair most likely is going to start coming through the twist. So that is so annoying. Like, I would expect this to happen like after I've had this style in for like 2 weeks or maybe even a week. But for it to do that the next day, I was very, very blown. So you'll see me going ahead and retwisting this twist over again. And to be honest with you, by the time this video actually posts, I would have done the entire half of my front of my hair over again, just because to me they don't look good after a couple days and they aren't fresh looking, and I like my hair to not look frizzy. So that is it. It took me probably in total, if I did it in one sitting, it probably would have been like 6 to 8 hours. So now I'm just trying to lay down what little edges I have, and then I'm showing you all what all the twists look like. I also don't like the fact that my color of my hair is kind of peeking through. Then I was thinking to myself, like, this really doesn't look like passion twist. Like, actually it kind of was giving me like I come in the club shaking these dreads, throwing these bows and busting these heads vibes. I don't know, I felt like I look like Diamond off Primark. But I mean and all, I just kid and joke. I do enjoy them, and they kind of grew on me. Let me know what you all think. So about half the people that watch my videos actually aren't subscribed to the channel. So if you are one of those people, take 2 seconds and hit that subscribe button, and also hit the notification button so you can be notified whenever I drop a new video. And as always, thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next one.